Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Audi A3. First of all, we have to make sure that the phone that you're going to delete is, there we go, forget this device. So it's knocked off your phone's not on. Now we go over to the system. Whatever screen it's on here, we need to select telephone. So onto telephone. You see there it says connect mobile phone. I don't want to connect it, but that's what you need to select. You'll see here there's a plus at that side. Connect mobile phone and a plus. So what we do, we don't press on it, we click sideways. That brings up another menu, the connection manager. We select connection manager, click on connection manager. That brings you up primary phone, data connections, MMI, all that sort of stuff. And it says not connected there. Now, you may think because there's a plus there, you need to knock across to the side again, but you don't. What you need to do now is select primary phone by clicking. It then gives you all the phones that are connected to this system and gives you the option to delete it. So now you turn the rotary control till you get to the phone you want to delete. There's another plus at the side. There's a box there that say that you would select if you wanted to connect it, but you don't want to connect it, you want to delete it. So there's a plus at the side there. You knock the rotary control across again. Now you've got another menu. Display Bluetooth profile, store as default telephone, delete Bluetooth device, Bluetooth settings, online, but we want delete Bluetooth device. So we turn that down to delete Bluetooth device. Then we press the center to select. The device has been deleted, the device has been deleted. That's it, gone. It's hard work, not intuitive at all, but that's how you do it. Once you know how to do it, it's easy enough.